Hey y'all, today we having Wendy's and we're eating healthy today. I'm having the summer strawberry salad without the bacon. And it looks like this. It is scrumdiddlyocious delicious. So that's what lunch is looking like today. And then I have a baked potato. How everybody been? I hope everybody is doing well. I hope everyone is doing well and eating well. Father, we thank you for this food. We ask that you bless this food in your son Jesus' name. Hallelujah. Y'all, I'm hungry, and I know you get tired of hearing me say that I'm tired, but I am. I was up all night again last night. I ain't get no sleep at all. I tossed and turned the whole entire night. The whole entire night. Y'all, I have a topic to talk about. First, let's see what the salad is. Let's see what it's doing today. Ooh, have a bite. Mmm, it's cold. Mm-mm. Boy, oh boy. A hit. I gotta go to the dentist. I got sensitive teeth. Every time I eat something cold on this side, it's like a lightning bulb. Or a lightning shark. I should have asked for, no. I should have asked for fried chicken. But they gave me grilled. I like the fried one better. But y'all, I'm trying to do better. Every little bit count. These have these little sugary almonds in here. They are delicious. Mmm. What kind of salad dressing did they give me? It would say. Oh, this is the champagne. The champagne. That's what it says, champagne. My glasses. It's delicious, y'all. It is really good. Y'all, what do y'all think? What's your thoughts on what's going on with the food shortages, y'all? Do you have a plan? I mean, it's no secret. Everybody should be knowing what's going on now. Food prices definitely went up, and they're talking about food shortages to the point where when you go to the supermarket, there will be no food to get. So, what's the plan? Do you have a plan? Did you think about what that's going to look like? How bad it's going to be for kids whose parents did not prepare? Even if you are on a fixed income or you get food stamp, SNAP, or whatever they call it, you can still put something up. You know, you can go to the dollar store with a $20 budget and just pick up 19 items every single, time you go. Pick something up and put it up. Get you some dry beans. Get your rice. Get canned goods. Store up some water. You can't wait around for somebody to come and help you. Nobody's coming to help you. You have to help yourself while you can. Please, y'all, don't just sit around and do nothing. Don't just sit around and do nothing. There are food shortages. It's going to get worse and worse and worse. And even if it don't, what can extra food do to hurt you? You just have extra food. If there's an elderly living close by, go check up on them. Help your neighbor. I'm telling y'all, it's gonna get bad. It's gonna get bad. That's why now I feel like I'm gonna start weaning myself to eat. That's why I don't really eat 3 meals anyway, but still. We're going to have to learn how to eat maybe 1 meal a day when things get bad like that. 1 meal that's very nutritious, that has everything you need in that 1 meal, because that's how it's going to get. Don't let your kids just be running back and forth, eating all day long, because it's not going to be like that. When things get tough, they ain't going to be able to just eat like that all day. So they have to start learning now to scale back. Scale back. Look at that salad. You see I think that's roasted honey almond slices. So good. I don't know what made them think of put something like that in the salad, but I would have never thought of it. What's good?
Take this cream soda.
That's cream soda? Mm-hmm. Oh, I love cream soda.
What type of drink?
It looks orange.
I mean orange cream.
Oh.
Good.
That's delicious. I'm not allowed y'all to drink cream soda, root beers. I love Dr. Pepper and root beer. Lord, but I can't have it. But that's something I really miss. Every now and then I take like one little tiny sip. I can only take a sip though, because immediately it's like I can feel it go right to my kidneys. I can feel like instant pain as soon as I drink it. So I flush it out with water right away. But y'all, think about what I'm saying, about this food shortage and prepare. I'm gonna tell you like this. You ain't coming to my house. Nah, I'm just playing. You better get you some. Cause you ain't coming to my house. Nah. I'm gonna help people as much as I could. I'm gonna help them to the point where I can't take care of my own family. But I'm gonna put some aside for, to help somebody if the Lord tells me to. But you're gonna have to be careful even helping people. You're gonna have to be very careful helping people in them times. So, just a little something for you to think about and everything. Other than that, how are you spending your Friday? What are you doing today? Me? I'm having lunch with my husband. I'm gonna try to stay going out of the house today. I don't want the kids to see me. Not today. Not cooking. I don't want to hear it. I don't hear nothing about no kids today. It's my day. So I'm probably gonna do some window shopping, driving around, just enjoying the scenery. You know, little this, little that. We'll figure out what we're gonna get into as the day goes by. These lettuce remind me of the lettuce that I grew in my hydroponic system at home. It reminds me I gotta eat those lettuce. Make a salad or something. I did it for fun. Did they give it to you?
I did the same thing. Which one?
I thought you was going to give. He said he was going to go get me some butter for my potato. And he went and got him something to drink. He said,
You know the butter?
yeah. If she could give you two, that'd be good. My potato got a little bit cold. I should have ate this first, probably. I love baked potatoes, y'all. Thank you, Ben. More butter. Where's your nuggets? You ate them already?
Right here. You know sauce?
Huh?
And you know barbecue sauce?
Didn't she? You asked her. I heard you ask her. She asked you what kind you wanted. It's not in the bag?
No.
Nope, she didn't give it to you.
All right.
It's a beautiful day. Even though it's gonna rain, it's still beautiful. I love rain. The last time it rained, I went for a walk with my husband with the umbrella, and it was just so beautiful. Walking in the rain is beautiful. I love it. I get the best sleep when it rains. Sleep by the window. Some of the best sleep you ever get. though, because the sun keeps coming right back out. And might be able to see the sky. I'm looking at the sky from the camera. It looks really dark. Might not. Because the sun come right back out. See? It's happening. It's getting brighter. Have another one?
Mm-hmm.
This chicken right here is kind of rubbery. This is good though. Taste that.
Mm-hmm. I don't eat that kind of chicken.
She didn't ask me what type I wanted. And I didn't think to tell her. You know what? That one by your job,
Yeah.
better than this one. What you
Yeah.
think?
Mm-hmm.
Every time I go there, I enjoy the food. Y'all, the itis is hitting me. The itis is hitting me. I don't know what it is about us black people. As soon as we eat, we get tired. I'm full. That potato filled me up really good. It is almost gone.
I see something.
Hmm?
That sounds good. Pretty good.
Oh, that Volta, she didn't, the lender, you have to call her back.
Okay.
Because, I mean, what time is it?
We did call her. And she picked up.
And that's a bad sign right there. Remember what Byron said? Brian, he said to get a lender that you trust. I like Margaret. She always called us back. She's good. I don't like what she's offering, but she's good. Anyway, guys, that is it, and that is all for today. Think about what I said about those food shortages, y'all, and prepare. Please prepare. Put some stuff up. It's really not a game. You know what I'm saying? It's not something you should be taking lightly, because it's happening. It's happening now as we speak. Go into the store. You see for yourself. Everything went up. Gas is up. You know what I'm saying? The prices of food is up. Certain things you go to try to find, you can't find them no more. I went to go buy a bag of chicken. They wanted almost $40 for a bag of freaking chicken. I said, are you kidding me? A bag of chicken. One bag, you know, the wingettes that we used to buy for like $19.99 in Sam's? They want damn near $40 for that now. That's double the price. That's ridiculous. You know, so like, get your canned meats and stuff. Learn how to can and pressure. That's what my next thing. Well, I kind of know how to can, but I don't know how to pressure can. So that's something that I'm going to be learning like right now, like really soon. I'm gonna figure that out because I'm gonna start trying to can my own meats and stuff now. Because what happens if the freezers go out? If the freezers go out, how are you gonna keep your meat? So like, think of different ways you can preserve your foods. And put something up, y'all. Please, 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 please. If you got a little money and you can afford it, get you a piece of land and start preparing right now. My husband and I, we are trying to find some property that suits our family, for what we're trying to do. I really would like to grow some food of my own. I would like to be able to have my own garden, and grow majority of the things we eat. That's my goal. I would love to have it that way. So we're looking for the perfect piece of land, house land, whatever. So, it hasn't been easy, especially in this market. It's like really not a good time to be buying. But then when I weigh out the pros and the cons, it's not a good time to be renting either, because rent, they're going up and up and up, and the landlord has all that control over how high they want to have their rent. You know what I'm saying? That's a dangerous place for any family to be when you cannot afford those raises. Then what happens? What happens to you and your family? At least if you in your home, your mortgage is your mortgage, and you know what I'm saying? It's a lot better if you ask me to pay your mortgage than to pay for rent, and have and then it's not yours. You can't do what you want. You don't have the freedom to, grow food or anything like that you may want to do. So, to me, it's a bad time, yeah, but still the cons outweighs the pros. The pros outweighs the cons in my case. So, I'm trying to find me something. Because my apartment is very small and we pay a lot of money for it. I have no freedoms to do the things that I desire to do. You know what I'm saying? I would like to have a dog or a puppy. I can't have that. I would like to cook out when I want to. I can. I share the space with other people. Like, it's whack. I'm tired of it. So, yeah, y'all. I love you all. Please prepare. So, I'm going to wrap this up. Shalom, y'all.